Hey guys, I want to talk to you about a situation that happens quite often in our dent repair shop. This customer, the owner of this F-150, had a collision with an animal and had left some pretty serious dents in this car. We've got about a 7 or 8 inch crease right here and a good 30 to 40 inch crease down the side of this door panel. So 2 doors were affected. These are aluminum panels. I did explain to this customer that both these doors, in order to do this properly, both of these doors should come off and be put on hood stands, and that we would do our best and try to achieve 100%, and sometimes that's not always the case, but we are about to give it a go. Now this customer has phoned his insurance company and already has been to a body shop. Now the body shop that we work closely with did recommend our services to him. If you would like to see how this turns out, stay tuned.